In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a note to an order fast and easy. Let's streamline this process together on WordPress using WooCommerce, where you can efficiently manage and customize your e-commerce orders to better serve your customers. So if you're ready, let's dive in and make this as simple and efficient as possible. First things first, let's navigate to the main hub of your WordPress site, the dashboard. This is the control center for everything you're doing with your site, from managing content to configuring settings. Once you're there, you'll want to find and click on the WooCommerce tab. WooCommerce is the engine behind your e-commerce store, making it possible to handle various tasks like sales, analytics, and, of course, managing orders. Next, within the WooCommerce section, look for the Orders option and click on it. This will take you to the Orders page where you can view all the purchases made by your customers. If you have a lot of transactions, it might appear a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry. It's all about making this list work for you. Now, to add a note to a specific order, you need to first locate the order by its number, which is conveniently listed there for your reference. Once you've identified the correct order, click on that order number. Doing so will open up a detailed view of that specific order, providing all the information you need at your fingertips, including customer details, billing information, and more. As you scroll down through the details of the order, keep an eye out for the section labeled Order Notes. This is where you can add personalized notes regarding the order, which can be incredibly helpful for keeping track of unique customer requests, internal reminders for you or your team, and any other important information that pertains to that specific transaction. Once you've found the Order Notes section, locate the Add Note button and give it a click. This will prompt a text field to appear where you can type in your note. Writing a clear and concise note is key, as it ensures that everyone who accesses this order can understand the context or action needed without confusion. After you've written your note, the final step is to make sure it actually gets saved to the order. Simply click on the Add button right there next to your note entry field. This action will save your note to the order, making it instantly accessible for future reference or for team members who may need to view it. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've efficiently added a note to an order in WooCommerce. This process not only keeps your operations running smoothly, but also enhances the communication within your team and improves customer satisfaction. Thanks for watching, and happy managing.